Hello and welcome to another tutorial on Chatzy AI. In this video, we'll explore the Conversations tab, which acts as your unified inbox for managing all customer interactions across WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. Think of this as the central place where you can view and respond to all ongoing and past chats with your contacts. Once you go to the Conversations tab, you'll see a list of contacts displayed one below the other. If a contact has a name saved, you'll see that name along with a small icon showing which channel they're using, like the WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger symbol. This helps you instantly know which platform the conversation belongs to. Click on any contact row to open their conversation. The chat will open up on the right side, where you can scroll up to view the full history of messages exchanged with that contact. If you click on the contact's name, it will open a contact card on the far right. Here, you can see all the basic details about the contact as well as their additional attributes, tags, and the date they were created in your system. Chatzy AI automatically sorts conversations in descending order of the last interaction. This means that the most recently active conversations show up at the top. Some of these might be unread, which means the contact has sent a message that hasn't been replied to yet. Unread conversations are marked with a blue checkmark on the top right of the contact row. As soon as you click on it, the conversation is considered read and the checkmark disappears. If you want to view only unread messages, you can use the Unread filter to focus on those chats specifically. You'll also notice some contacts have a green next to them. This indicates that the conversation is live. Live conversations fall into 3 types. 1. The conversation could be assigned to a conversational AI agent, which means the AI is actively handling replies. 2. It could be assigned to a flow-based AI agent, where a flow or journey is responding to the user. And 3. It could be assigned to a human agent from your team. If you want to manually take over a conversation, for example, if an AI agent is currently replying and you'd like to respond yourself, you can open the conversation and click on the Close Conversation button at the bottom right. This action will close the AI session and allow you to message the contact directly. Now, an important note about WhatsApp. If the contact has messaged you within the last 24 hours, your business can freely send messages, including text and media. However, if no message has been received from the contact in the last 24 hours, WhatsApp restricts outgoing messages. You can only send a pre-approved template message in that case. In these situations, the text box will be disabled, but you'll see an option to send template. Click on it, choose a template, and send it. Once the template is sent, the conversation becomes active again and gets assigned to an agent. At this point, you'll also see the option to close the conversation. If a user has messaged you recently and you're within the 24-hour window, you can type your message in the input box and send it over WhatsApp. You can also send media like images or PDFs. If a user sends you a media file, you can download it by clicking on it, right-clicking, and selecting Save. For Instagram and Messenger, there are no such 24-hour restrictions. You can message any contact at any time without limitation. When a conversation is assigned to a human agent, AI bots and campaigns can no longer interact with that contact. Similarly, if a conversation is live with a conversational AI or flow AI, campaigns won't be able to send template messages to that contact. Those messages will be skipped to avoid overlap or confusion. If a conversation is currently assigned to an agent and you want to close it, you can do so by clicking the Close Conversation button on the top right. This will release the conversation from the agent, making it available for AI or campaigns again. Remember, agents are one of the user roles in Chatzy AI. You can invite your team members to the platform and assign them the agent role. These users will have access to the Conversations tab and can manage chats with customers directly. That's all for this tutorial. Hope it helped you understand how to manage and respond to conversations efficiently using Chatzy AI.